Hello and welcome to the Pocket Yogi. Today's very quick session is for those cozy days when you can't bring yourself to get into a full-blown workout. To make matters worse, I will have my very lazy assistant Lulu joining me in this session today. You can do this short practice while you're still in bed or if you've managed to get yourself on the mat. Begin by lying on your back on the mat. Beginning with some hip flexor movements. Keeping your left leg straight, bending your right knee, bringing it closer to your chest, and starting with some clockwise rotations around your hip. You can hold on to your left thigh to keep your left leg grounded on the mat. Keep the movements active and conscious while you do the rotations in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise direction. Make sure you're extending your right knee all the way to the right, externally rotating your right hip. A full breath in this pose. And shifting your knee over to the left, gently adding a simple spinal twist. Back to the center. Sending your right knee back out and bending your left knee. Bringing it closer to your chest. Begin circling your left knee in and out. Ensuring the external rotation of the left hip by circling your knee all the way to the left. Staying here for a breath, like a tree pose, but while lying down. Shifting your leg onto the right, gazing to the left, adding a refreshing twist. Come back to the center, hug both your knees, gently rocking from side to side, massaging your back, all while taking deep breaths in through your nose and out through the mouth. Time for a happy baby pose. Now keeping both your knees bent, the soles of your feet up towards the sky. Grab and hold the inside or outside of your feet, spreading your knees apart, pointing them towards your biceps. Gently rocking from side to side or stay in the position, opening up those hips. A gentle and soothing pose that's great for relaxation and stretching your body first thing in the morning. Release, hug your knees one last time and rock all the way up to a seated position. Take a moment for a nice long breath or smother your pet if you have them nearby. Moving on to some neck rotations. Inhale, head up, gaze up. Exhale, dropping your head, chin to the chest. Inhale, gazing up. Exhale, dropping your head. A few rounds here. Now rocking your head from side to side, dropping your left ear towards your left shoulder with an inhale Exhale, coming back to the center. Inhale onto the other side. In the last round, using your left hand to assist you in the stretch, extend your right arm out to the right for a deeper stretch onto your right side of your neck. Similar stretch onto the right. Back to the center. Inhale, raising your arms all the way up. Your palms touch. Exhale, your right arm on the mat, extending your left arm over to your right for a deeper left side body stretch. Gazing at your left fingertips and lengthening your left side of your body. Inhale, come back to the center, your arms raised. Exhale, your right arm over to your left. Inhale, arms outstretched, back to the center. Exhale, your left palm on your right knee, twisting to the right, keeping your left palm behind you. Gazing over your right shoulder. Deep breaths in and a deeper twist as you breathe out. Inhale, come back to center, arms outstretched. Exhale, twisting to the left. Inhale, come back to the center, keeping your arms outstretched. Interlocking your fingers, elongating your back. Exhale, bringing them in front of you, rounding your back so your shoulder blades are away from each other. Inhale, arching your back, cactus arms, bringing your shoulder blades together. Exhale, rounding your back. Moving effortlessly for this version of a seated cat-cow for a few breaths. Lulu does not seem amused. Yep, she's done with this. And your last seated cow with your breath out and arms by your side. One seated forward fold before we end the session. Inhale, raising your arms, maintaining a length in your back. As you breathe out, gently lowering your chest towards the mat and folding forward. Your arms extended out, your palms and maybe your forearms on the mat. Relaxed and staying heavy in this pose. With every breath out, lowering your forehead and your chest on the mat. Staying here for a few deep breaths. Noticing some stretch on both sides of your outer hips. Inhale, rising up, back to the seated position. And that's all for today's practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.